If capturing your adventures feels like a hassle, or your regular camera just can't keep up with the action, it may be time to upgrade to an action camera. Not only are these cameras portable, but they're also durable and designed to capture every thrilling moment, whether you're biking, skiing, or diving underwater. But with so many action cameras on the market, it can be hard to choose the right one. That's why, in this video, I'll be going over the 7 best action cameras, whether you're looking for something compact, waterproof, or packed with features for professional quality footage. I'll have something for everyone. All the links to find the best prices on all the products mentioned in this video will be in the description below. Please note that the products mentioned in this video are in no exact order, so be sure to stay tuned so you don't miss anything. Number 7 is the Akaso Brave 8. This is the most budget-friendly action camera on our list. The Akaso Brave 8 is perfect for anyone looking for a compact and durable action camera without spending a fortune. It's lightweight and easy to carry, making it a great companion for all kinds of adventures. Built to last, this camera is waterproof up to 33 feet, so you can use it for snorkeling, swimming, or even rainy day activities. Its sturdy design also makes it reliable in tough conditions, whether you're hiking rocky trails or biking through mud. One of the best features of the Brave 8 is its image and video quality. It records in 4K Ultra HD and takes sharp 48-megapixel photos, capturing details that look amazing on any screen. The wide-angle lens ensures you never miss a moment, and it performs surprisingly well in low-light conditions. For those who love smooth videos, the super smooth stabilization keeps your footage steady even when you're on the move. Whether you're biking down a mountain or running along the beach, the Brave 8 ensures your videos are clear and professional looking. Battery life is solid, lasting long enough to capture a day of memories. Plus, it has a replaceable battery for added convenience. The touchscreen interface is user-friendly, and with the Akaso app, you can easily transfer your photos and videos or control the camera remotely. Number 6 is the Insta360 Ace Pro. This is the best action camera for vlogging on our list. The Insta360 Ace Pro is a powerhouse for content creators, especially vloggers who need a reliable and versatile camera. Its sleek and compact design makes it easy to carry. Whether you're traveling, exploring the outdoors, or shooting in your studio, it's built with durability in mind and is waterproof up to 16 feet, so it's ready for poolside shots or a light rainstorm. What makes the Ace Pro stand out is its incredible video quality. It records in stunning 5.3K resolution, ensuring every shot is crisp and full of detail. The camera also excels in low-light conditions, making it perfect for capturing vibrant footage during golden hour or indoors. Its dual wide-angle lenses allow you to shoot creative 360-degree videos, giving your vlogs a unique edge. Stabilization is another highlight. The Ace Pro features flow state stabilization, which keeps your videos steady no matter how much movement is involved. Whether you're walking, running, or filming on bumpy terrain, the footage stays smooth and professional looking. The Insta360 Ace Pro also shines in its audio capabilities. With built-in directional microphones and noise reduction, your voice comes through loud and clear, even in noisy environments. The touchscreen and intuitive controls make it easy to adjust settings, and the Insta360 app adds seamless editing and sharing options. Number 5 is the DJI Osmo Action 5 Pro. This is the best GoPro alternative action camera on our list. The DJI Osmo Action 5 Pro is a top-tier choice for those who want all the power and features of a GoPro without the price tag. Its compact and rugged design makes it perfect for capturing adventures in any environment. Built to withstand the elements, it's waterproof up to 33 feet without needing an additional case, so you can confidently take it snorkeling, kayaking, or hiking in wet conditions. When it comes to video quality, the Osmo Action 5 Pro delivers stunning 4K resolution at up to 120 frames per second, offering ultra-smooth slow-motion capabilities. The HDR video mode adds vibrant colors and better details, especially in high-contrast lighting. Whether you're shooting in bright sunlight or low light, this camera ensures professional-grade footage. Stabilization is a standout feature with DJI's advanced Rocksteady 3.0 technology, which keeps your videos steady even during the most intense activities. Whether you're skiing, biking, or running, your shots will look smooth and cinematic. The dual touch screens on the front and back are a game changer, especially for vloggers and selfie enthusiasts. They're responsive, bright, and make framing shots incredibly easy. The built-in microphones deliver excellent audio, and with the DJI Mimo app, you can quickly edit and share your videos directly from your phone. And if you want to know the latest prices of the action cameras discussed in this video, be sure to click the links below. And if you're having a good time watching this video, we would love it if you hit that subscribe button. Number 4 is the Insta360X4. This is the most immersive action camera on our list. The Insta360X4 is designed for those who want to take their content to the next level with 360-degree immersive footage. Its lightweight and portable design makes it easy to carry wherever your adventures take you. Built to endure tough conditions, it's waterproof up to 33 feet, so you can capture stunning underwater shots without worrying about additional gear. The X4 shines with its ability to record in 5.7K resolution, delivering incredibly sharp and vibrant footage. Its dual lens setup captures everything around you, creating a fully immersive experience that's perfect for VR, social media, or creative projects. The invisible selfie stick feature is a standout, making the stick disappear from your shots for a seamless, professional look. Stabilization is another highlight, with flow state stabilization ensuring ultra-smooth footage even when you're running, biking, or exploring rugged terrain. Your videos will look polished no matter how dynamic the action gets. One of its most exciting features is the ability to reframe your footage after recording. Using the Insta360 app, you can change the focus, angles, and perspective to create multiple videos from a single shot. This gives you unmatched creative flexibility. With its user-friendly interface, responsive touchscreen, and reliable audio quality, the Insta360X4 is perfect for capturing immersive experiences like no other. Number 3 is the OM System TG7. This is the most rugged action camera on our list. The OM System TG7 is built like a tank, making it perfect for adventurers who need a camera that can handle the toughest environments. Its durable design is not only shock-proof, but also crush-proof, freeze-proof, and waterproof up to 50 feet, making it one of the most robust action cameras available. Whether you're climbing rocky mountains, exploring underwater, or shooting in freezing temperatures, the TG7 is ready for it all. This camera excels in image and video quality with its ability to capture stunning 4K resolution videos and vibrant 12-megapixel photos. Its bright f2.0 lens ensures great performance in low-light situations, so you can get clear shots even in challenging conditions. The camera also features a unique microscope mode, allowing for extreme close-ups that capture incredible details. The TG7 offers excellent stabilization for smooth videos, even when you're on the move. Its rugged grip and easy-to-navigate buttons make it practical to use in any scenario, including underwater or with gloves on. One of the standout features is its built-in GPS, altimeter, and compass, which add an extra layer of functionality for outdoor enthusiasts who love tracking their adventures. The camera also pairs with the OM Image Share app for quick sharing and remote control capabilities. Number 2 is the Insta360 Go 3S. This is the best modular action camera on our list. The Insta360 Go 3S is a compact and versatile camera designed for those who value flexibility in their creative setup. Its lightweight, modular design makes it easy to mount anywhere, whether it's on your helmet, chest, or even a pet's collar. The Go 3S is also rugged and splash-resistant, making it ideal for capturing action in diverse environments. This camera excels in video quality, offering 2.7K resolution for sharp and vibrant footage. Its wide-angle lens captures everything in stunning detail, perfect for immersive shots and creative perspectives. Additionally, its magnetic mounting system allows you to attach the camera to various surfaces, giving you endless possibilities for creative angles. Stabilization is a standout feature with Insta360's advanced flow state technology, ensuring buttery, smooth videos even in high high-motion scenarios. Whether you're skateboarding, running, or mountain biking, the Go 3S keeps your footage steady and professional-looking. One of the most exciting features is its modular design, which allows you to pair the camera with a removable battery pack or screen module for added functionality. This flexibility means you can customize the camera for extended shoots or better control when framing your shots. The Insta360 app makes editing and sharing your videos seamless, with options for AI-assisted edits and instant social media uploads. Its small size, portability, and modular setup make it a favorite for creators on the go. Number 1 is the GoPro Hero 13. This is the best overall action camera on our list. The GoPro Hero 13 is the gold standard for action cameras, combining unmatched durability, top-tier video quality, and a wealth of advanced features. Its rugged design is built to handle any adventure, from deep dives to dusty trails, and it's waterproof up to 33 feet without the need for a case. Whether you're surfing, hiking, or exploring, the Hero 13 is ready to go wherever you do. This camera delivers a stunning 5.3K resolution at up to 60 frames per second, ensuring ultra-sharp videos with vibrant colors and incredible detail. It also takes impressive 27-megapixel photos, making it perfect for capturing high-quality stills. The advanced HDR mode enhances both videos and photos, balancing light and shadow for the best possible results even in challenging lighting conditions. The Hero 13 features hyper-smooth 6.0 stabilization, which provides the smoothest, most steady footage ever seen in a GoPro. Whether you're skiing, mountain biking, or skydiving, the stabilization ensures your videos look professional and shake-free. The dual touchscreens, one on the front and one on the back, make it easy to frame shots from any angle. It's a favorite among vloggers thanks to its excellent audio quality and compatibility with a wide range of accessories, including external microphones and mounts. With built-in Wi-Fi and Bluetooth, you can quickly transfer your files or live stream your adventures. The GoPro Quick app offers seamless editing options, allowing you to create and share stunning content in minutes. And there you have it. We hope this selection simplifies your decision-making process and makes your quest for the perfect action camera much easier. And if you guys found this video valuable, we would love it if you hit that subscribe button, and be sure to check out the description for the links to find the latest pricing on all the products mentioned. Until next time.